of this day is to recognize the importance of lighthouses in maritime navigation and for providing ships safe harbor during bad weather. United States introduces an act for establishment and support of lighthouse, beacons, buoys, and public piers since 1789. For the first federal lighthouse, resolution was passed and designated on August 7, 1989 as National Lighthouse Day. Lighthouses represent a piece of history. It makes travelers comforted for centuries, guiding them and keeping them safe. Before developing a lighthouse, fires built on hilltops will guide clearly defined ports, mariners. The fire would improve the visibility. Placing the fire on a platform became a practice that led to the development of the lighthouse. The first lighthouse was built by Pharos of Alexandria in 3rd century BC. The Lighthouse of Alexandria was made from a fire on a platform to signal the port entrance. Initially, fires or burning coal used to create the source of light in a lighthouse. Later switched to oil-burning lamps, after turned into the electric lamps. A lighthouse is working with simple science on telescope but works in exactly the opposite way with the help of a Fresnel lens. The glass lenses in a telescope refract light rays from distant objects so they seem to be much nearer. The United States is home to more lighthouses than any other country. Almost 115 lighthouses are along the Great Lakes. Government of United States constructed the first lighthouse as Cape Henry Light, Virginia, completed in 1792. In California, more than 40 lighthouses, many of which are incorporated into the California Coastal National Monument. The most famous French lighthouse period was one on the small island of Cordovan in the estuary of the Gironde River near Bordeaux. The Smeaton's Lighthouse, the tower was built on a massive cylindrical base that absorbed some of the energy of incoming seas. In Charleston, South Carolina, is the only place that having triangular-shaped lighthouse tower. Tower of Hercules is the world's oldest existing lighthouse with the entrance of Spain's La Coruña harbor. The lighthouse was constructed in the 1st century. The most expensive lighthouse built in America is St. George Reef, near Crescent City, California. It took 10 years to construct and cost $715,000. Maria Andreus is the first lighthouse timekeeper in America. She inspired generations of women to shine as female employees within federal service through her beacon of light. Lighthouse stands the icon of port. It's an open-source, automated tool